Hello viewers, here is another Olympiad exam question. We are asked to solve for y in 2 to the power of y multiplied by the cube root of 4 to the power of y equal to 32. So y is equal to what? Now let's solve this. To solve this, we are going to look at the fact that the first issue we are going to resolve is the issue that has to do with the cube root. Once we can clear the cube root, then we can put these to their various factors, then we should be able to solve for y. Now let's do that. We have 2 to the power of y, and this is multiplied by 4 to the power of y, and this will be all to the bracket 1 divided by 3. Because if we have the cube root of the n root of a, this can be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by n, right? So this will be equal to 32. So all through, we will have a law such that if a to the power of x all multiplied by y, this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by y, because the exponents will have to multiply. So this will give us 2 to the power of y multiplied by 4 to the power of y divided by 3, right? And this will be equal to 32. Now I want you to remember that 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32, right? So 2 to the power of 5 can replace 32. So once we've gotten that, we'll have to simplify further. So we'll have 2 to the power of y multiplied by, this will give us 2 to the power of 2, right? And this will be all to the bracket y multiplied by this equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now come to note something. According to the laws of indices, if we have our a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, this can be equal to a to the power of x plus y. That's the multiplication law of indices. So if we apply that over here, we'll have 2 to the power of y plus this will give us 2y divided by 3, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 5. Good. Now we have a situation where we have same base. If we have a to the power of x to be equal to a to the power of y, definitely because we have same base, x will be equal to y. So if we have that, we are going to simplify with the fact that we have same base. So that will give us y plus 2y divided by 3, and this will be equal to 5. So we are going to simplify this. And remember, to simplify this, if we come back to our common mathematics, we are going to see that we are going to find, when we find the lowest common term, 3, 3, this whole thing will be divided by 3. So we'll have 3 divided by 3 divided by 1 will be 3, and this will be 3y, plus 3 divided by 3 will give you 1. 1 times 2y will give you what? 2y. And this will be equal to 5. Let's come to the lowest term. So this will be equal to 5y divided by 3 equal to 5. Right? So we'll have to multiply both sides by 3. And the main reason why we have to multiply both sides by 3 is to clear the fraction. So we'll have our 5y divided by 3 multiplied by 3, right? That will be equal to 5 multiplied by 3. So 3 will have to clear 3, and then our 5y will be equal to 15, right? So we have to divide both sides by 5. If we divide both sides by 5, we're going to get the value for y. So 5 clears 5, and then our y will be equal to 15 divided by 5, which is equal to 3. So y is equal to 3. Now let's check to find out if our solution is absolutely right. Remember the initial equation we're given. We're given the equation, the initial equation we're given the value 2 to the power of y, right, multiplied by the cube root of 4 to the power of y, right? Will it be equal to 32? Remember, that's the initial equation we're given. So let's flash our mind back to that equation. Now let's find out to see if that value, if we insert y to the power of 3, will give us 32. So we'll have our 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by the third root of the cube root of 4 to the power of 3. Will this give us 32? So 2 to the power of 3 is going to give us 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8, multiplied by, remember, we'll have the end root of any value, a, it will be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by n. So we'll have 4 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 3. So this will be equal to 8 multiplied by 4 to the power of 3 multiplied by 1 divided by 3. So 3 we have to clear 3, and then 8 times 4 will be equal to 32. So we see 32 on the left hand side equal to 32 on the right hand side. So that shows that the value y equal to 3 duly satisfies that exponential equation. I know you do enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to also subscribe to our channel for more simplified mathematics Olympiad solution videos. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.